Hello, this is Jonathan Gus, the product manager for the Sprinter line of Keystone RV. I want to talk to you a little bit today about the Campfire fifth wheel lineup. It's new this fall and it's been doing really good in the market. Some of the things that truly separate us from the other Econo line fifth wheels is the full profile of this thing. You're going to have a true bedroom up there. You're not going to have that step up where you're going to have to kind of Superman into the bedroom. You're going to have a ton of storage and a ton of room in your bedroom area. Also, your pass-through storage on the outside is going to be greatly increased. So on a 29-foot, 26-foot fifth wheel, you're going to have almost as much storage as the full profile big fifth wheels that you're going to spend double the price for. The other feature that's really nice is that true auto-grade front cap. This isn't dyed in Phylon. It isn't just a white piece. It's going to be true auto-grade paint that's going to last for the duration of your ownership, which is fantastic. The third thing we'd like to point out is the road armor suspension system. Not only is the Campfire lineup of fifth wheels wide body, so you're going to have a more stable towing, you're also going to have 360 degrees of rubber torsion suspension, which is fantastic. So you got a more stable tow and an easier tow down the road. This is going to be the best towing fifth wheel that you're going to buy. And again, at a much better price than the other competitors that are going to be priced much higher that have the same features. A couple of the other things I want to point out is a higher trim line cabinetry and larger windows. They'll seem like little things, but that's a big deal when you guys are in this and you plan to keep this for 8 to 10 to 15 years. So those things are just going to last the life of your product. The wide body, again, that's also going to give you a floor system that has a 25-year transferable warranty from Dynaspan. Talk about being Sprinter strong and making camping easy for you guys. This is an excellent feature. Come check out the Campfire fifth wheel lineup, guys. I promise it won't disappoint. Go to KeystoneRV.com, find your local dealer, and check this out. Thank you.